Join us for the DrayTek Training Workshop in Brisbane, 2025. Get ready to enhance your network management skills with our comprehensive training program. Mark your calendars for November 4th, 2025, when the workshop will take place in beautiful Brisbane. This workshop is designed for anyone looking to boost their expertise in network management. If you're an IT professional or network administrator, this workshop is perfect for you. It's also ideal for anyone eager to enhance their network management skills and stay updated with the latest practices. Attending the DrayTek Training Workshop offers numerous advantages for your professional development. Gain practical, hands-on knowledge that you can immediately apply in your work. You'll also have excellent networking opportunities to connect with industry peers and expand your professional circle. All necessary training materials and equipment are included, so you just need to show up ready to learn. Enjoy light refreshments and a delicious lunch, ensuring you stay energized throughout the day. Our comprehensive course content covers essential topics in network management, equipping you with valuable skills. You'll receive an introduction to DrayTek networking equipment, including the flagship Vigor 3912S. A significant portion of the workshop will focus on the powerful Vigor ACS3 software, which allows remote management and configuration of DrayTek Vigor devices. Upon completion, you'll receive a valuable certificate of participation. This certificate will validate your participation and newly acquired skills. Use your certificate to promote your services and build trust with potential customers. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Places are filling up quickly, so register soon to secure your spot. Click the link in the description below to register today and become a network management expert. Thank you for watching. Please like or leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. For more information about DrayTek products, please check out our website at www.draytek.com.au or send us an email to sales@draytek.com.au or give us a call on 02-9838-8899.